St. Thomas High Secondary School, ke school ke badangdan hapok snong pending umyong Mairang ke bahap hapok ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District mentakas ngi ke nyau terik Naiweng hapdang ke Jingiphuh Iphieng ke penhap perdano ke Jingrakhe jo ke Jingkot yu Maumer pesan Paul ani ke Jubili Ksiar ya ke Jing Shakri bansam ke Jingnang Jingstar shagi khun samla nadu belas sengi ke tei ke jaka pule nadu usnam khaknai spa nyupuar hagate ke Jing penhap perdai ke Jubili Ksiar lawan menship benta du Menteri Rangba ke jela u konrat ke sangma kumu kongsan haringkat ke Jing dan bentalang u MLA ke Nongstoin ubak Macmillan Bersat, UMDC ke Mairang Constituency, ubak Batskam Rentah Tiang, Deputy Commissioner ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District, ubak Wilfred Nongsit, UCM ke Himan Nongkla, ubak EMPM CM, Superintendent of Police ke District, ubak Maxwell CM, Principal ke School Father Herodes Lingdo, ki kena school kenong hikai lembat kiwei. Nakaliang jong school hakati ke sengi kala yo ruben penko buram iki samla puli barim jong kati ke school ke bela pas ba haki eksamen bela dep de certificate bela buru yu mau nong rem bantai ke galeri nak benta ke school hapo madan St. Thomas Lingbao Kongsan.
Today, slowly and steadily, Meghalaya is becoming a shining example, whether it's tourism, whether it's entrepreneurship, whether it's Jal Jeevan Mission, whether it's PMGSY construction, whether it is the vaccination programs we're having, in all the programs, Meghalaya is today climbing up the ladder, and I intend to continue it. And in education also, it will happen. But we need to work together. I thank the solutions. This is the 100 years of the solutions in Northeast India. We were just discussing with my friend. I think I've been to more than 15 programs of these 100th centenary celebration of the solutions. Every third, fourth day I'm there because there's so much they have done. The Catholic mission has done so much. Our different denominations, the Presbyterians have done so much. Christianity has changed the way the people live. It's not just the soul and the spirit, but it's in every sector that Christianity has today impacted the lives and the level of livelihood and all aspects of the common citizens of our state. And education is again one shining example. And St. Thomas today, your school, your institute is surely one of the best examples of how our Christian missionaries, different denominations, but these Christian missionaries have made a difference in the people's lives. And so many lives have changed and so many people have been benefited out of this. I thank our missionaries who have dedicated and sacrificed.